Okay guys, if you can hear me, the first match of the day is going to be team deathmatch. First match of the day. 30-minute time limit. Let's see how long the battery lasts. You guys on comms?
I didn't even reload all my fucking eggs in this pouch.
Great. Now we have half the man.
Finally got that piece I was messing with installed properly.
Huh?
That piece I was messing with?
Nice.
Finally installed properly.
Nice.
Really? You shot me.
Oh, that's gay.
So our bare skin there,
Oh
bud.
no.
Please don't.
I mean, technically you got 2 against you. What's up? Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is fired?
You.
How the hell did I fire?
It probably got caught. Something. Hey, but something's a little wrong here. This the front rail moves.
Uh-oh.
That's not good.
You're fine.
Flip it over. Flip it over. You probably have to tighten those right there.
All right.
You probably have to tighten those down. Whose is that?
Huh?
Whose is that?
This is mine.
Is yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, you probably just have to tighten those 2 screws right there.
These aren't screws. This is how to.
No, the one on the bottom.
Oh.
These 2.
Okay. I was
Yeah,
like,
those. You probably have
Yeah.
to tighten those.
Oh, you broke it too.
Huh?
great job.
Broke part of it.
Oh, jeez.
Fuck you and your cheap shit. Your cheap
Palmer, dude.
Hey, I didn't do it. It was a 20-foot distance.
Where'd you get
I got
this?
the high quality polymer.
I 3D printed it.
See, high quality.
I did it on my 3D printer.
Can you do me one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
When I get more
do
filament.
me 2.
Okay. When I get more it won't work on. Oh yeah, because never mind. I was thinking you had to stick one to stick.
Yeah,
mag.
no, it'll work on here.
It might. It works on some guns, but not others.
Well, let's try it.
Okay. I just have to wait until I get more filament. Because my dad won't let me use the one that you're buying from him.
Silly goose.
I still gotta give him money.
Yeah.
You want to shoot my gun? Oh, I forgot to take it out.
I had to press up the battery.
Can you not shoot me?
I'm just shooting your shit. Just
Ow!
Hi, Ghost
that was your fault. You should have moved your hand.
Hi, Ambush.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
Hurts.
Let me look.
No more.
Point blank. Oh shit. My bad. Hold on. Yeah, we're good. Okay.
Right there.
Hey guys, let's keep the language because YouTube.
Oh.
YouTube, let's keep the language down.
Yeah.
None of that. Come on now. I don't want to get banned.
There's one squad lead, and the 4 other members.
Oh, it is.
This motherfucker can't be.
Yeah.
You should see him naked. He's so scary. Is that real?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a real one.
Thing is, these cuts are from my cat. I got the scars of a
Sure, Mister. Just gonna sit here and just. Okay, and then Finn, I'd say he's the best because he's like. Oh, what's he gonna do? He can say stuff that's.
He yelled at me because he thought my mail was
he's a
a
cameraman.
knife.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk up on somebody. Come here, hit. Oh, shit.
He blinked.
You got guys. Shit.
No, this
You got your Jewish like super fluids for my goggles.
I have the super.
My goggles are already slightly fogging up, bro. I'm about to crash out.
You should have used the secret serum. It's
an animal.
That's why Fox spray never works. It's my secret serum that works.
You can pay $60 for one of these.
So it always be fair. Their soap is free from
Pendejos have a serious problem, huh?
Ah!
No.
Now these pendejos have a serious problem.
Why's he here? You got put on band?
No
I
problem.
walked up there like a dumb shit listening to a new guy and fucking ended up with the no band. So now I know exactly where the fuck they're spawning from. They're gonna make a hard push down this side. Chris, Jordan, and Ian are gonna make a hard fucking snipe push down this side here.
Assuming I know who they are, I'm gonna avoid that.
The misfits.
You'll know.
You don't have to avoid them. You just have to come at them with a battle buddy and with a little bit of tact.
You see,
Remember, all they fucking do is sit
Who
in
the hell
bushes
is
all the
that?
time sniping people. That's all they fucking do. So
Who is
if you catch
that?
them if you catch them before
Huh?
they get to the bush.
that voice that was just on there.
Yeah.
For some reason, this.
Is that you? Is that you? Okay. I'm like, who the hell's on our columns, dude?
Oh, by the way, we're gonna want to change frequencies. One of the misfits knows what channel we run on.
Apparently, we had a couple of people.
Change my frequency, please. We'll see. We'll see.
We'll see.
Wait, that was the third time I did that. So you guys gotta renew?
What?
Oh yeah,
The third time I did that.
oh yeah, dude. I'm ex-heavy machine gunner and diesel mechanic, U.S. Army. I always adapt and over.
I'm just holding it so I don't.
There's always a way to outsmart the stupid fucker shooting at you. Yep. Especially when he's got no fucking experience in tactics.
Where's the Apache when you need it? Airsoft Hellfires, hear me out.
Hold on, we should just get the airsoft mortars.
Where's the air support?
I'm just recording right now.
I'm just gonna borrow a Cessna and attach it like airsoft.
Just so you guys know,
I recorded him just shoot his
Yo, Reaper Division is currently not only working on getting a UAV drone out so that we
Okay, they got that safety.
tool on guys farther out,
They're gonna shoot it down
but
so
we're
quick.
also.
Okay, this is like this. This is a perfect little thumbnail for the video.
Interesting.
It's fucking both of us just sitting here. Boom! Oh shit.
Oh shit, I'm dead.
Oh
I would have pulled that. What's that one guy who trains or teaches people how to like defend themselves against guns? Like it's that one black guy.
Oh, did you actually get him? Oh, dude. You good?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Are you good?
Maybe
Man down.
Come on.
yeah,
get
maybe it's 10 minutes.
Oh! Don't shoot me next time, dipshit.
All right, squad up. Let's go.
Come on. Let's get serious.
Let's whip some.
Let's get serious.
Yo,
Let's
we're gonna
whip some
execute this
tail.
man. Cedar.
I laughed first at the sleepover.
All right.
Oh, I'm sorry, but that little. So we just this is wartime.
Yeah. My dad is actually pissed off because he
Execution.
My dad handled POWs. He get actually so pissed. My dad would like he got mad at me.
No, face the boys. Face the boys. Oh no! This is a fucking execution. That's a fucking execution.
So you guys are gonna go left, right?
I got that.
Yeah.
Me and him, we got it. Me and him
You
are gonna
guys
be
go
infantry.
left?
We're gonna go up, left, and just camp right here at this.
Okay.
Main spot.
Where are you going? You're running with Reaper?
My dad a photo of like
Reaper.
he actually got so pissed.
Reaper, which way you going?
Because to him, that's not a fucking joke, dude.
Yeah, it's
Which way you going?
Which way you want to go?
I'm gonna go.
Well, these guys are going left.
Did they call game on yet?
Not that I know of.
Hey, we're getting ready to go. Start rounding up, get your shit ready. Hey, creep
Hey, bust your
forward.
mags. Hit it on somebody's helmet.
Hey.
That's what me and Gorman did.
Hey, creep forward just like they do.
Okay.
Let's move forward. We need to push right through the
Passing. Be careful for the ref. Watch out for the ref. Shit. Right side. Right. Front right. Oh shit, they're flying overhead shit. Yo, if anyone lost a butt stock, I got one. Let me know. I'm out. Oh, that's Max just lost it. What? Someone lost it. Oh shit, give that back.
No spawn camping. No spawn camping. Guys, when you are in your spawn, do not shoot in your spawn. That will cause people to shoot into spawn and you will get spawn camped. People will be so mad at you for causing them to be spawn camped.
How far do you want us to go before we start shooting?
Well, okay. As long as you're like not in spawn, so just like when you reach the moat, you should be good.
All right.
When you reach
I'm
the
back at spawn.
There's heavy contact of like.
As long as you're out of this area.
Ready?
Just be away from this area.
Over here. Okay. Contact 12. Straight ahead in the bushes.
Contact main trail, contact main left trail.
Straight ahead, get to cover, get to cover.
Oh, hit!
Yeah, by the trees in the comments, they're all hiding there. We're going down to the right side. Right side of the left path.
Boss, you go for a flank or something?
Contact right by the connexes. On the left of the connex.
Over here?
Yeah. I just got hit from there.
Go.
Hey, stick to the cover and foxholes, guys.
We got someone in the connex.
Watch straight ahead.
Count one.
I only saw one in the window.
Copy, thank you. Good luck.
Well, the goggles work.
for the bunkers. Okay. And I'll get right? We're fine on that.
So I know he's.
Yep. Lose anything important?
It doesn't sound like an AEG, so it's an HPA gun.
No? Alright. Little bit of ego ain't no big deal. Okay, yeah. Okay, where are we going back to? I'll get you back here.
I'm just in my spawn spot, right?
Yep. Tag the barrel and come back. I'll get you back to where you were going. Sniper. Come on. Oh, you're good. Bearing. What's our ball? You can cover where you going?
Yeah, darkness. Very soon.
I gotta turn these things off. My batteries are fucking dead.
Again?
I didn't change them yet.
Oh.
Are you out?
Okay.
They're all at 12 o'clock.
Yeah. I don't know how many guys is at Alamo though.
3.
Okay.
What I've counted at least.
So they're probably spread out between Alamo. So even if we try to push fucking
Whose glove is on your helmet?
what?
Glove on your helmet.
Mine.
Okay. Fuck.
We got one somewhere in
Just go back there and then leave.
Castle.
the one near the castle, yeah.
Got nailed in the head.
Yeah, we got them like straight ahead.
So, behind the little thing right there, and then over here. So, you get behind
You joined here for a reason!
Sign that contract. Fine.
Hey! Contact right side on the castle!
Mudhog. Mudhog. Do you want to take castle? They're in castle. Do you guys want to wrap around? They're on the right side of the castle.
Spread out at the field castle.
They're already there. Do you want to go get them?
No, because as soon as we go over there, they got a sniper sitting up in the tree line. Watching every single person that comes up that hill. Back to the spot camping.
I didn't even know we were back allowed there now. Hit. Oh wow, I was fucking on point with fucking the camera.
I got the hype up set.
I get the hang way, yeah. You don't suck my big nuts.
Yeah.
No, they're
Still sucking?
still sucking.
Still sucking. Sucking like a duck.
Still sucks.
Just fucking.
Yep, go.
You guys want to push him? You guys want to push him?
Good.
Oh, you was walking so casually up there.
He's not sticking his head out anymore. Don't bunch up.
Is he in the castle?
He was on top floor. I have not seen him come out, but he's ducked down currently.
Hit.
Where at? No, you're dead. Never mind. Hit.
Sniper by the corona.
Flies over here.
I'm walking back, ain't I? Dead man to dead man. From your left side?
Yeah, it was the left side. But that's dead man, dead man.
Well, that sucks. How you doing over there?
I haven't done anything.
Yeah. I know where the guys are.
There,
Yeah, this is our first time.
there's one in the castle.
Yeah.
There's one left by the Alamo. They're all kind of like
Yeah. There's one
keeping us
behind.
right here.
There's a little fence when you get right behind this barrier straight ahead.
Yeah. But we got a couple guys over there in Alamo
Right there, standing up and moving.
straight ahead.
They're sniping off castle too.
That's where I just was.
Okay.
And when I was shooting castle, there was a guy from my left. I was looking right at castle. There was a guy on the left that got me.
Okay.
So they're in Alamo by the bridge area.
Hey. Go Turner. Right there, just sitting in that bush. Good luck trying to make it past there.
They're forward and then also
Sniper.
the connexes.
The sniper's sitting over there at the main connex.
There's like 3 of them, yeah.
And then
I need to
you try coming up here,
connexes.
and he's sitting right where that trailhead is.
Yeah,
That's where
we're pretty much pinned down.
I know, exactly.
I want to bum rush this trails. I just
Yeah,
wanna
but there's a
sprint.
sniper. I was literally just sitting there and then ding, ding, ding. And then
I'm going to connexes.
Alright,
fine.
They're in front of connexes. They're close to this side. Someone needs to like get over there.
we'll go over there.
People are asking on the field, why are you walking up so casually? Well, I'm 15 out of shape.
Got Jim moving up on us.
So I do what I can.